Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2007 300. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power mirrors, fog lights. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, adjustable headrests, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.